up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am actually doing a tutorial on a request from little Lisa. This is actually her favorite color that I'm wearing onto my eyelid, you guys. I'm really digging this eye makeup look. I had asked all of you guys if you wanted to go ahead and actually put down a request of your favorite color, and I would love to do a look for you guys. So for this eye look today, I went ahead and used Jcat Beauty Hollywood 24 eyeshadow palette again, you guys. I just not too long ago recently reviewed this for you guys. I will leave down a link below that actually will give you my first impression and review on this. I really love staying in touch with you guys, so definitely do that with me. I love connecting with you guys and getting to know you personally. You guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't done so before you head on start. So, and without further ado, let's get right on to the video.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Do is actually start working with the transition shade, which is what we're going to do. And I'm gonna go ahead and actually take this light tone right over here. Take any fluffy brush of your choice and just go ahead and pack that into your crease. Second transition shade, I'm going to go ahead and take this orange right over here and just going to go ahead and apply that into the crease and create more depth. And create a cut crease using MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre, and today the brush I'm using is actually Crown brushes. This is their C224 oval concealer brush. I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right over here onto a synthetic brush. And go back with the damp brush. For the center of the lid, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and take my Huda Beauty palette. This is the Desert Dust palette, and I really love this shade from this. This is called Twilight. It does not have that much shade to it, but it has like that holographic effect. Yes, some shimmer and glitter into it. So it's like a whole bunch of stuff happening within this one color. Just going to go ahead and apply that right in the center of the lid. So you guys, not too long ago I purchased this NYX Cosmetics glitter glue. Should have made it into my haul video, but I guess I had just stored it away and forgot all about it. This one right here is NYX Cosmetics new metallic glitters, and this one is in number 03. This has your pink holographic purple tone to it and stuff like that. Pretty much what I've got going on onto my lid, you guys, and that is what I am going to do. I'm gonna go ahead and take that, and I'm gonna go ahead and dab that right on top of the purple shade that we just applied. I'm going to go ahead and take my NYX Cosmetics glitter glue, you guys. I just couldn't open the midnight glitter glue. It's like stuck together. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that a little bit onto my finger, which is actually easier to use anyways, and it does not sting my eyes. I'm going to just go ahead and take a little bit, take the excess onto the back of my hand, and just dab that on top of it. And going with the glitter, which is, by the way, this is what that looks like. Go ahead and do this one, and I'll be right back. Now we'll be taking a deeper chocolate color, you guys, and this one right here would be from the Desert Dust by Huda Beauty, and apply that with a thicker liner brush of your choice. This is just to define my eyes. You don't have to do this, but I feel like it's just gonna give us much more defined eye look. And I'm going to go ahead and stop here. I'm just going to go ahead and create more depth by keep applying. Alright you guys, so I even have my lashes on. I also went ahead and created a wing liner today using the Tarte Cosmetics Amazonian Clay Black Liner. I'm going to go ahead and actually correct. I already went ahead and applied moisturizer and also prepped it using the Amazing Cosmetics Primer in Glow. And I am now taking Amazing Concealer Corrector and I'm just going to apply that a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender and blend that. I'm going to go ahead and mix two foundations together today, you guys. This one right here is Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Foundation, this one. And I will also be mixing MAC Cosmetics Face and Body Foundation only because this is a little bit darker and thicker. And this one right here is just the opposite of that. And to get a dewy glow, I'm also using, actually this is the first time I'm trying this out. This is Makeup Revolution Luminous Gold Liquid Highlighter. And that is what that looks like, you guys. I just recently purchased this and shared with you guys in my recent haul. I'm just going to go ahead and about 2 drops, I think should do it, into the foundation. Here's the recipe for my foundation today. I'm going to go ahead and take my spatula and mix it up. Going with a beauty blender. For the concealer, I'm going to go ahead and reach for my Bobbi Brown palette. Just going to take the darker shades for contour from this palette. Going to blend the contour first. I haven't filmed for like past 3-4 days, you guys, so I'm so out of the order and it's taking me a little longer too. And set it all in place. Today I'm going to go ahead and take my Aspen powder for under eyes. For those who are new to my channel, do let you know that I like to set my highlighted area with a translucent powder or some sort of skin tone color, and then darker areas where I have normally contoured, I like to go with a darker tone of a powder. So today I'm going to go ahead and take my Tarte Cosmetics Amazonian Clay in, this is right here, medium tan sand is the shade. I'm going to go ahead and keep the under eye translucent powder just so we can go ahead and finish working off onto our lower lash line. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and start working with the first transition shade right over here. Go ahead and take a blending brush like this one right here is Crown Pro C441 brush. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. Going with the second transition shade we applied. Just gonna go ahead and take a smaller brush, and this one right here is by Luxie Beauty, this pink shade right over here. Not only I'm gonna go ahead and pack this onto my lower lash line, but I also will be blending that into the first two transition shade we applied. For the waterline, I'm going to go ahead and go with black today. This is Cargo Cosmetics Swimmable Pencil, one of my favorite liner to use in my waterline. And this one right here is in Black Sea. Taking this deep violet shade right over here, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that along my lower lash line. For the bronzer and warmth, you guys, I really have been enjoying my Profusion blush and bronzer palettes. I'm just going to go ahead and take these two bronzers and mix them together. For the blush, I'm going to go ahead and take my Makeup Geek Cosmetics Mitten. Tarte Cosmetics. This is their Park Avenue Princess. I'm going to go and take the contour shade from contour. I'm going to go and take e.l.f. Cosmetics Angled Blush Brush. It's not dark enough. I'm just going to go ahead and take my Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette and take the contour from that. And I know they're pigmented, so we're just going to go ahead and go. They're a little too pigmented. Oh, always forget that. For the highlight, I'm going to go ahead and take my NARS Cosmetics. This is their Bordeaux Plage palette. And I'll just go ahead and actually mix the gold highlight from this. Just going to go ahead and take a random brush. I'm going to go ahead and take my NARS Cosmetics highlight onto it and just highlight the inner corner. For the lips, I went ahead and outlined them using the Color IIKON Wet n Wild, a lip liner in Chestnut 711. And then I'm going to go ahead and actually fill them in using the Pacifica Cosmetics. This is their Powerful Color Natural Lipstick. Shade I have here is Sweet 1. On top of this, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Marc Jacobs lip gloss in Sugar Sugar. You guys, so this right here is the finished look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe to your right so you can stay tuned and also be part of my Dilse family. And to be in the know, you guys, that what is coming next, definitely give me a follow on Instagram as MakeupDilse. That is where I update the most as to what is happening in my world. And don't forget to hit the share button. And other than that, I love you guys, and I'll definitely see you next time. Bye bye.